just a little while ago, we heard the president appeal again to people to take the coronavirus seriously, saying that too many people are acting as if this fight is over, and it's not. So I'm wondering, why does the president think, or you or the White House or the COVID team, why do you think this message isn't breaking through for some people? Why does he have to keep saying it again and again and again?
Well, we have always anticipated that there would be ups and downs, and that's why the president, the vice president, and all of us have continued to reiterate that we are at war with the virus, that we need to be vigilant, and that's a message you've heard from him and members of our health team throughout the past several months, even when people were feeling more and more confident out in the American public. We don't view the observation of public health guidelines as a political step. We view it as a step that helps save lives. Some people view it otherwise, but what our focus is on ensuring that we are expediting getting vaccinations out to pharmacies, doubling the number of pharmacies that have them, more than doubling, expediting, increasing the amount of vaccines that are going out to states, which we saw a dramatic increase in that. And we're also working with local mayors, business owners, and at the individual level to continue to reiterate what has long been our consistent message.
Is that message that it's too early to celebrate? I mean, how often or how much of that is part of the public education messaging? There are some PSAs that the administration is doing. How much of that message is part of that campaign?
The big focus of the public campaign is we can do this, and that it's important to take the vaccine. And obviously partnering that public messaging with our efforts to expedite in getting more vaccines out, increasing the number of vaccination sites, the number of vaccinators. We're doing those in partnership, and also working and investing, I should say, a significant amount of our public education efforts in local partners, which we've seen to be the most effective effort. So that's one of the reasons why that is where the majority of our funding for that public campaign is going.
And one other quick question regarding the call the president had today with the president of Ukraine.
Yeah.
Are you able to say if Donald Trump and the investigation that he sought into the Bidens from the Ukrainian government, did that come up at all during the conversation?
I know we've put out a readout of the call. I'm not aware of that coming up on the call.
Yeah, that was not in the readout. Okay, thank you.
Sure, go ahead.
So just to back up on Ukraine, are you concerned about Russian disinformation about the activities at the border? This has been a continuing theme, and then I have another one after that.
You're absolutely. You are absolutely right, Andrea. It has been a continuing theme. We've seen this movie before, the disinformation campaign that Russia has implemented in the past as it relates to their aggressions at the border of Ukraine. So that is certainly something we are watching. We are concerned about, and we will continue to communicate from here, but also with our partners in Europe about.